Hello, my name is Evan from Team 18527, PCM Alchemists, and this is our video for the Control Award submission. During initialization, the robot senses the number of rings on each stack using Viewphoria. On start, the robot shoots 3 preloaded rings into the high goal. It then delivers the first wobble goal, picking up the ring on the 1-ring autonomous and avoiding the stack on the 4-ring autonomous. It then picks up the rest of the rings on the field and shoots them into the high goal. During the 0 and 1-ring autonomous, the robot then delivers the second wobble goal. The robot then navigates to the firing line. To determine our position on the field, we use a combination of motor encoders and the IMU's gyroscope. Our overall strategy for autonomous and driver controlled was to focus on launching rings into the high goal, as well as scoring the wobbles. On controller 1, we used the left and right triggers to move forward and backwards, because they are analog and allow us to adjust the speed, and their position on the controller allows us to press other buttons at the same time. We used the left joystick to turn because it gives a more natural feeling to it. We used the face buttons to control the wobble grabber servos because we needed 2 states for each servo, and the right thumb was currently not being used. A more recent addition is auto turn. It allows us to save an angle using the IMU gyroscope and return to that angle at a later time. Buttons that control auto turn are the left and right bumpers because we did not need to use any other buttons while auto turning. Auto turning allows us to get lined up and shoot much faster and more accurately. The second controller controls the intake and the ring launcher. The intake runs throughout the match and can be toggled on and off using the down button on the D-pad, and reversed by holding up on the D-pad. Holding the right trigger initializes the shooting code. It adjusts the angle based on the speed of the motor and allows our shooting to be more consistent and much faster. It is also open loop, so we can move and turn while shooting. In endgame, our primary focus is scoring wobble goals outside of the field, as well as picking up rings to shoot along the way. Depending on the time remaining and the accessibility of rings on the field, we can choose to either run our closed loop power shot command or to continue shooting high goals. Thanks for watching. Stop it.
What time is it?
That's the end.